Hello friends, my name is Ajay Khut. Today video topic is synchronization and demo thread. Synchronization is the technical through the which it can be control the multiple thread on along the number of thread. Only one thread will be enter the inside the synchronized area when in a single resources can be invalid the synchronization to some time of the multi-threading can be across the time are the wrong result we can be then the synchronization is used. This main purpose of the synchronization is the overcome the problem of the multi-thread when the multi-threads are the tracking of the access some resources at the long time of the that and maybe provided the same wrong result. Synchronization is the method of the multi-threading. We can see that the Java control the synchronization. The synchronization is classified the two categories. First one is the method level synchronization and second is the block level synchronization. We can discuss the first method of the level of the synchronization. If we carry the method of the public void in method, we can write the same resources in the thread 1 for thread 2 and thread is can be access the run method. This thread can be the run method and access the run method at the same time. We can the set of the real time of the example of the consider the bank. A bank is the joint of the account like the run of the Ram and Rahul. This bank is account is the balance of the 10,000 thread 1 is the Ram is the thread 2. Rahul at the bank time of the Ram and Rahul. We can do the bank and the same time of the 10,000 can be withdrawal account. If the Ram can be withdrawal balance, then the Rahul can be shown in the insufficient balance. This problem is the solve the synchronization. We can the discuss of the example thread can be enter the synchronization of the method. The thread 1 can be method of the synchronization keyword is the used for the synchronizing of the method. The thread 2 is the can be withdrawal of the amount of the thread 1. Enter the method of the required the is the show of the thread 1 is resource of the maybe 10,000 amount if the resources if the a bank is not available. If the required the available if the show in the balance if the available is the less can be next time of the synchronization. Second point is the bank level synchronization. This type of the base of the type of the synchronization is the it can be accessed the consider of the synchronization is the less see the type. If consider the public void mean of the name method of the executed in the hotel method or block of the outside the method thread 1, thread 2 and thread 3 can be enter the hotel. It can be access the method. It method is the time of the this thread is the same time enter the in the method. If consider the resources of the food if the consider is the hotel method of the synchronization method between the phone of the consider the thread can be enter the synchronization method and we cat of the food of the response the required the so as so in the message food is the over this and first one is the process synchronization. The small expression of the multi-threading over the passes to reaches of the state of the which that continuous to the certain sequence of the action. Second point is the thread synchronization. At the time when the more than the one thread to the access the thread resources how need to the sources of that the will be used only one thread at the time. And Java synchronization the keyword mark in the bike or method of the particular section in the certain section of the where the only one thread way of the executing data time that the thread, and hold the lock of the synchronized is the section of the synchronized keyword is the help of the writing and the current of the part of the application. It is the also protect of the shared resources within the block. We can see that the next demo thread. The demo thread is the method of the synchronization. The demo thread are the useful of the background supporting the task of the such as the garbage collection, researching the memory of the unset object, and the removing the inward entries. Form of the clutch must be JVM of the thread are the demo thread. The we can the carried of the demo threads we set of the thread to be the demo thread. All the need to the is to call thread set the demo. This is the example. We will be use the new thread which executed the thread classes. We can the create the object and the new thread is the demo thread. We is equal to new demo thread object, and then the call of the method demo thread set demo thread true demo thread start object. Any demo thread of the inheritance that the demo thread of the static. The demo thread is the carried the since the main thread is the use of the thread. Any thread that carried the inside the main thread is by the deflect user thread. Thank you.